Hello my dear cute little children, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, taking care of your health and studying at your home. So, are you ready for your social studies class? We were doing chapter number 5, the Southern Plateau, and we have covered so many states, the states covered by Southern Plateau. We have studied about so many states and the life in that regions. So today we will study about the topic life in Karnataka. So children, take out your textbook and mark important lines with me. See children, I hope you all have done your homework of 2 MCQs. Now let us study about Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital city. Which is the capital city of Karnataka? Bangalore. You have to remember the capital of different states. Children, I will suggest you to make a table in your notebook of states and its capital. So it becomes easy for you for this chapter and to remember in future. Second point, it is also famous as a center of information technology. It means Bangalore. Bangalore is famous as a center of information technology. The short form of information technology is IT. You all might have heard IT companies in Bangalore, right? So, it is famous as a center of information technology. Mysuru or Mysore and Mangaluru or Mangalore are two popular cities. Which are the two popular cities of Bangalore, children? Mysore and Mangalore. Easy to remember, both starts with M. Rivers Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri flow through the state. Which are the rivers that flow through the state? River Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri. So children, see, remember the answer point wise. Till now we had studied 3 points. First, Bangalore is the capital city. Second, its famous center of information technology. Third, the two popular cities. And we have studied fourth point also about the rivers that flow through this state. Let us move further. Karnataka has a rocky landscape. Rocky means children uneven. Karnataka has a rocky landscape. People practice farming as the main occupation. Which is the main occupation there? Farming. Main occupation is farming. Okay. They grow cotton, sugarcane, coffee, spices and jowar. Underline, they grow cotton, sugarcane, coffee, spices and jowar. So you have to remember the main occupation farming and the crops they grow there. The forests are famous for teak and sandalwood trees. The forests in Karnataka are famous for two things, teak and sandalwood trees. Okay. Handicrafts. Handicraft means the craft people make by their own hands. Handicraft made out of sandalwood are famous all over the world. All over the world, what is famous, children? Handicraft made out of sandalwood. See, here you have given a picture of handicraft in your textbook, right? Kannada is the main language spoken here. In Karnataka, which is the main language spoken? Kannada. Easy to remember. Karnataka and Kannada. Like in Gujarat, we speak Gujarati, Hindi most of the time. So in Karnataka, Kannada is the language mainly spoken. Okay, so you all have to remember the answer point wise. It was very short. Now for the revision, I'll show you a short video. See children, see the video carefully and the pictures.
Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital city. It is also famous as a center of information technology. Mysuru or Mysore and Mangaluru or Mangaluru are two popular cities. Rivers Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri flow through the state. Karnataka has a rocky landscape. People practice farming as main occupation. They grow cotton, sugarcane, coffee, spices and jowar. The forests are famous for teak and sandalwood trees. Handicrafts made out of sandalwood are famous all over the world. Kannada is the main language spoken here. Andhra Pradesh.
So children, did you see the video? Teak and sandalwood pictures were also shown to you. So I hope the topic still here are clear for you and you understood today's topic. So based on the today's topic, I'll give you a short worksheet. See, topic Karnataka, only 4 questions, very simple. Bangalore is the capital city of dash. You know the answer. Which are the 2 popular cities of Bangalore? The 2 popular cities there. Easy. Third, the forests in Karnataka are famous for dash and dash trees. The forests in Karnataka are famous for 2 trees, dash and dash. Which is the main language spoken here? The main language spoken in this region you have to mention. Okay children? So I hope this much is clear. We'll meet in the next video lesson with the next topic. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.